now a traditional rice pudding, one of my absolutely favourite comfort foods. And you're not going to believe how easy it is to make. And this is what memories are made of. People sometimes haven't tasted rice pudding for years, and when they taste it again, they're just drooling. It's so delicious. So all you need is a pie dish, and then put some rice. Now the rice for this is a particular kind of rice. It's a short grain rice called patna rice, or sometimes they call it rice pudding rice. So you just take 3.5 ounces of that and spread it into a pie dish, a Pyrex pie dish, and then about 2 ounces of caster sugar. Now this is the most basic one. You could add some spices as well, and cinnamon if you wanted to it. And then just a nice blob of butter like that. Heat up about 1.5 pints of good milk. Now this is whole cream milk, not low-fat milk. So just pour this in on top until it comes sort of pretty much right up to the top of the pie dish. Pop it into a moderate oven, 180 centigrade, 350 Fahrenheit, 4 on the gas, and it'll take about 1.5 hours for the rice to soak up all of the milk and get the most gorgeous crust on top. So let's bring this carefully over to the oven, where I already have one here. Pop that in. There we go. And here we go. This one sort of exploded in the middle there. So when it's cooked, what you need is it should be sort of still lovely and creamy. The skin part is almost the most delicious part, and everybody sort of fights over this. So take a spoonful out, make sure it's still lovely and creamy. There we go. And then what's absolutely essential is to put a blob of softly whipped cream on top. Look like that. Whoa, how gorgeous. And a little sprinkling of dark, soft brown sugar. And that, when you take a mouthful of that, it's so inexpensive to make, absolutely delicious. And for many, many people, it brings nostalgic memories of childhood flooding back. And I often wonder why we don't make this more often. It's incredibly nutritious, totally delicious, and everybody from toddlers and babies to grannies and granddads absolutely love it. And of course, this is the basic traditional one, but you could add cardamom and cinnamon and chopped nuts and some raisins to it as well if you wanted to. So it's a basic recipe, and you can embroider it with other additions if you like.